Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. If you're not, thanks for coming. I'm one busy mama, aka Bethany, and I am very busy. So I just put on these lashes. That video should be out. And I have friend mail and from Belindamua. I will leave her link down in the channel, and my friend mail is from TripleB420, so go check her out. I'll leave her link in the description box as well. Love both of these ladies, and one was a surprise giveaway. It was a random comment picker, and Miss TripleB420 sent me some Christmas mail, so you might see this after Christmas, but I did get it before. So let's open her up. I can't wait to see. And I know with all the delays, her card is probably lost in the mail somewhere, so I will get that shortly. Look at that. I'm gonna take it out and then show you. But she wanted to send me something, which I thought was super sweet. So here it is. Oh my god. It's a celebration, and there's... Alright, so here it is. Oh my gosh, can you guys see how cute this is? The presents. I don't even want to mess it up. And there's Lindor Truffles. I love Lindor Truffles. How'd you know? Look at that. I love these truffles. They are so delish. And this is by Broadway Basketeers. www.broadwaybasketeers.com. Super cute. I love these personalization type gifts. Next box. It is Robin's Original Pretzel Mix. Look at that. There is chocolate yogurt and salted little snacks.
So good.
It is so good. Now we gotta stack them like this. That one. Okay, and then what's in here? Robin's Pantry French Apple Artisan Crisp. Ooh, made with real butter and apples. Ooh, I like it.
I like apples too.
Yeah, you like apples too? This is cool, and there's something else in there. Cocoa mint puffs.
I want to eat it.
I know, we're gonna eat it. These are so cool. Look at that. Love that. Packing them. Oh my god. Ooh, what is this? These look like taffies. Gourmet cotton candy taffy.
Yeah, I want to eat it.
Look at the colors too.
I want to eat it.
This is so cute.
I want to eat it.
I know. What's this one?
A chocolate.
You think it's chocolate?
Yeah.
Corn nuggets.
For nuggets.
Mmm, barbecue flavor.
I like
So-
it in my tummy.
Is good. There we go. And the last one from my girl TripleB is this one. Let's see. Ooh, there's two in here too. Let's see. This one is butter toffee popcorn. That's yummalicious. Cookies. Oh my gosh. These are all delicious. Wow. I love it. Thank you so much, TripleB. I love watching her channel pretty much every day. Let's just, okay, besito, okay. Go check out TripleB. She always does these fabulous eyes. And if you are into the weed tube, she is on there as well. So go check her out. Again, I will leave her link in the description box. She's such a mellow, loving girl. So if you want to see what she's up to during her smoke sesh, check her out. All right, and then we have a giveaway. I won from Miss Belinda. This does say fragile. Belindamua. She was on my live like 2 weekends ago. So let's open it up and see what I won. Wasn't that the best friend mail? There. It is the Gerard Cosmetics, and I've never tried Gerard Cosmetics. So this is very nicely sealed. I always hear everybody talk about the clean canvas and the lippies with the little mirror and it lights up. So I'm curious to see what I got. And if you haven't seen Belinda, she opens up every segment by saying, "Hey guys, and today," which always is catchy. And she's got these beautiful lashes in the background and she does these amazing eye looks, like so gorgeous. Ooh, and there's a card. Cards. Oh, there's a Christmas card. Yay, just in time. Merry Christmas and a very happy new year. Oh, thank you so much, Belinda. Let's get into this. Gold foil paper.
Wow.
Wow, this is a lot. So I got the Queen V Cosmetics. Let's see, it's dark brown. Looks like this. Yeah, with the spoolie. Ooh, that's nice. Right there. That'll work. This is in the color Serenity.
Mommy.
Ooh, this is a pretty nice packaging. Oh yes, this is a nice color. We have another metal matte liquid lip. This is Dream Weaver. Ooh, I like the names. Dream Weaver. This is nice. Ooh. Then we have Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. Ooh, I've seen a lot of people use this. Ooh, this is cruelty free. What's the scent on this one? Coconut. Mmm. Oh my god, that smells amazing. So refreshing. Oh, I love that. Coconut. I love coconut. Alright, then we have, oh, it's made in Germany. Gerard Cosmetics Share. Ooh, look at this lip liner. I've heard so much about it. That's how I already know it's a lip liner. Feels heavy. This is the color. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, I like that. Really have to check it out. Really pretty. Another metal matte. This is Fuzzy Navel. Another lip pencil. Ooh. Oh, I love that one. That's this one. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Belinda. This is super generous. And it looks like we got a palette. Ooh. ColourPop. BarroQ. Wow. Back, I seen one called Bougie. Let's see this palette. Wow. Same as the Unicarton. Names on the back. This is pretty. Wow, look at that. I love it. Bougie is that one. Ritzy, Bebe, Secret, Noble, Etiquette, Lounge, Grand, Stunner. Thank you so much, Belinda, for all the goodies. I mean, look at this. Friend mail from TripleB. All right, guys, so leave me the comments down below. Have you tried Gerard Cosmetics? If so, what's your favorite? I am loving these lip liners. And as always, stay safe.